Hello friends, in this video we are going to see about uterine inversion. Uterine inversion is nothing but inside out turning of the uterus. For example, if the uterus is like this uterus just turn inside around like this, like you turn your t-shirt on the other side. Why it is so important? Because whenever this uterus is turned inside out, the main problem we have is neurogenic shock. This will definitely stretch the ligaments on that exceeding way. That's why there will be a neurogenic shock. Whenever this happens, the patient goes into shock. What the time that this uterus inversion happens? It happens at the time of delivery. When we have very atonic uterus, and my friends, atonic uterus is just like a cloth. It's just like a cloth. When you give control contraction in atonic uterus, or if the uterus is of multipara, which patients the uterus is very weak and small, the uterus goes for inversion. What are the clinical features? Patient present with shock immediately after birth. Shock immediately after birth. So we consider that why? Why there will be shock? Because of the neurogenic shock. And at this time we might consider that it is because of the high PPH, postpartum hemorrhage, and that's why there is a hypovolumic shock. But if you really identify the thing, you realize that it is not a hypovolumic shock, it is a neurogenic shock. What we do here is we do a resuscitation with the use of IV fluids, vasotonic drugs, and what we do is manual replacement of the uterus back to its place. Johnson maneuver is there, in which it states that the part which comes out first should be repositioning first. Okay, and another hydrostatic method, or Sullivan method, which state that which uses the warm saline that put inside the vagina, creating pressure, and the uterus by itself get repositioned. There are degrees of uterine inversion. Is the first degree. This is what we call is a external os. So this is the uterus. The fundus is reaching to the external os. This fundus comes out from the external os, and all this uterus comes out from the external os. That means complete uterine inversion. Thank you for the listening.